By 2035, the finance marketing landscape will be nearly unrecognizable from what we know today. As traditional advertising fades into the background, niche finance businesses will thrive by focusing on hyper-contextual content, trust, ecosystem, and AI-native customer experiences. The lines between media, fintech, and community will blur. The winners won't be the biggest brands. They will be the most precise, the most human, and the most adaptive. Consumer in 2035 won't just demand personalization, they will expect anticipation. Finance brands will need to deliver value before a question is even asked. AI-driven predictive engines will track financial behavior in real time, serving context that fits each individual goals, risk tolerance, and the life stage. A side hustle launching an online store won't be served generic investment tips. They will get a tailored walkthrough of business credit, tax optimization, and profit in reinvestment strategies, all in the under 2 minutes and in their preferred format. On platforms like YouTube, algorithmic reach will reward deep engagement over passive views. That means niche finance creators and business must speak directly to micro audience with specific needs, digital nomads, managing crypto taxes, freelancers planning for AI-proof retirement, or creators monetization their brand equity through tokenization. Broad advice won't rank, precision will. By 2035, financial education will no longer be the competitive edge. It will be the bare minimum. Audience will expect you to simplify complex products, show receipts, and adapt to real-time market changes. Content must be updated frequently, optimized for voice and visual search, and layered by interactive elements. Think embed tools, smart annotations, and direct call to action overlays that link to personalized financial journey. SEO strategy will be dominated by intent, rich voice queries like best investing platform for teenagers by side income or AI-proof business under 10K dollar to start in 2035. Video scripts and metadata will be written with these specific phrases in mind, but more than ranking, it's about resonance. The most successful brands will leverage emotional hooks, fear of financial instability, desire of independence, or the need of to project generational wealth to build lasting attention. Reputation will be everything. In a world flooded with synthetic influencers and deepfake finance gurus, authenticity and proof of performance will separate leaders from noise. That's why testimonials, on-chain records, verified partnerships, and user-driven narrative will dominate conversion strategies. By 2035, niche finance marketing won't be about selling, it's all about guiding. The most successful business will behave more like real-time mentors than marketers. Those who can blend automation with empathy, data with story, and strategy with transparency will own the future of finance.